Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Redragon product software. Quite easy and straightforward, so let me show you how. First of all, of course, on Google write Redragon software, click the link that says redragonshop.com. Then you need to scroll down until you see mice, keyboards, combos, headsets, and accessories. So sort it out your product. In my case is mice, mice, so I just need to find my particular mouse, this one, and then scroll down until you see download for Windows, select software, just click the link here and go more info and run anyway. Press yes, next, 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 install, and wait until installation process is done. And after that, you can just launch the thing here. And if your device is connected, you will have all the options that you needed here. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.